Welcome to MBM classes. Today let us learn about Pascal's triangle. This triangle is very useful for remembering the algebraic identities. Regarding this triangle, the numbers are all written in a triangular form. Row means 1 means it will have only one number. Row 2 means it will have two numbers, and this process goes on. And one more thing you have to remember, the first and the last number is always repeated. So row 1 will have 1, row 2 will have both the numbers are 1 because we should write only two numbers over here. Considering the row 3, first number is 1, last number is 1. How will you get the middle number? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Row 4, first number is 1, last number is 1, middle numbers are 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 plus 1 is also equal to 3 over here. Row 5, here first number is 1, last number is 1 and the middle numbers are 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So this process goes on. This you can write any number of rows over here by following the same process. So let me explain now how it will be useful in remembering the algebraic identities. Now let me teach you how this triangular numbers, that is the Pascal triangle, is useful in remembering the identities. Now you are going to see in this row, that is row 3, 1, 2, 1 is there. So if you are going to consider these two identities, which is in yellow color, so only I have given both the colors same over here. These two identities you are learnt in 8th standard. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. See the numbers over here, 1, 2, 1. Are you able to find the same number over here? 1, 2, 1. Second, here also a minus b whole square also 1, 2, 1, same 1, 2, 1 over here. For regarding the sign, signs are always alternate. That is, if first is plus, second will be minus, third will be plus. Now considering a plus b whole cube, see the numbers over here in blue color, 1, 3, 3, 1. Here also you are having 1, 3, 3, 1. Same case in a minus b whole cube also. Here also you are having 1, 3, 3, 1. Same 1, 3, 3, 1. Regarding the sign, as I said, it will be alternate. First will be plus, second is minus, third is plus, fourth one is minus. So hope you understood. Now considering this, how to remember the number of terms. If it is the power is 2, one more term, that is 2 plus 1 is 3, you will be having 3 terms over here. If the power is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so you will be having 4 terms over here. This process goes on. Now if you are going to consider about the variable, how to remember the variable, everywhere you write AB, AB, AB. Since the total power is 2, I have written a power 2. So what will B have? B will have only the power 0. Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Here both AB is there. So a power of A is 1, power of B is also equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here b is equal to power of b is 2. So the power of a will be 0. So a power 0 is 1. And always one more thing you have to remember. The power of a always goes in descending order. And the power of b always goes in ascending order. So power of a is 2. So next will be a power 1. Next will be a power 0. Here power of b is 0. So 0. Next one. Next is 2. This is followed in all the a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole power 4. This process is continued throughout. So if you know how to write Pascal's triangle, it will be very useful for you to remember these identities easily and write the identities easily also without by hurting the identities. Hope you understood this Pascal's triangle and this algebraic identities.